everyone. I'm Dr. Angela Drummond Matthews. Welcome to Week 9 of Composition 1. Last week, you learned how to write a visual analysis. You learned about design elements and how artists use them to create meaning in an image. This week, we'll look at examples of visual analyses to see how they work. We'll learn about principles of design, and we'll use them to analyze images and answer the questions on the discussion board. Read the articles and discuss them with your peers. Then go to the discussion board. You'll find a number of discussion questions to answer with regard to the readings. Not only should you respond to the questions, but also read what your classmates said and respond to them. They might give you some good ideas. One question is about a professional academic visual analysis of Madonna's music video for the song Cherish. It asks you to read through the paper and explain what the thesis is, what design elements are being discussed, and how the writer explains the use of those elements to create meaning. The article is difficult to read, so don't worry if you can't read it all. If you get the major points, you'll be doing just fine. You can skim it if you need to. Another question asks you to look at a visual analysis of Childish Gambino's This Is America. That essay has some errors, so I want you to find the errors and discuss how the article could have been made better. A third question asks you to read an analysis of Art Spiegelman's graphic novel Mouse. I've included a link so that you can look at some of the pictures from the novel. For this question, determine the thesis statement of the article. Explain how the author goes about proving the thesis, and discuss how the essay follows the guidelines you've learned about writing a visual analysis. Finally, the Principles of Design question asks you to read the Principles of Design article and then find an image, like an advertisement, that uses one of the principles. I want you to describe the image, explain the design element, and then explain how the design element creates meaning in the image. So those are your assignments for the week. Remember that you also have your journal to do, and please remember to check in weekly on the general discussion board. We'll have our weekly optional class discussion on Friday. Check Blackboard for times. Don't hesitate to email me if you have any questions. That's all for now. Work hard and stay safe. Bye-bye.